Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on CKB. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that after the recent sell-off and big drop, the price end of CKB was once again bounced very well from a quite long-term up trend line support. And this was my last video, by the way. Now, if we move to the live chart, and this was the support that I was showing you, that is, by the way, coming from the month of August 2023 that had been previously working as support of this up channel. And now again, it worked as a very, very nice support. And here we had also the support of another falling wedge pattern as well. That was previously working as a resistance here for several weeks. And now, after the breakout, it is flipped into a support. We had a bounce here, and now recently the price it is once again bounced very well. By the way, here at this level, we had three support levels. One was the support of this falling wedge pattern, this uptrend line support, and here we also had a very long-term support of 5.00535 as well. That was previously working as a resistance here and almost as a resistance here. And now again, it is working as support. And by the way, previously almost here, it was also working as support as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, and I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for PYR, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade signal I shared on 25th of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of CKB. And this is the 7 days time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, it is moving inside this wedge. By the way, the previous resistance, this long-term downtrend and resistance is now flipped into a support. You can see that we got stable ejections here. And before that, by the way, the price line also got rejected by this downtrend line support that was previously breaking other resistance. And we got rejection here, a few more rejections here. And now after the breakout, this previous downtrend and resistance is flipped into a support. We had a bounce here, and recently the price is once again bounced very well from the support, along with this long-term uptrend line support as well. It had been previously working as a support of this up channel as well that we have been following back in the month of January 2024. For several weeks, a month, the price and has been moving inside this channel before we also break out this falling wedge pattern as well. And now still, this up channel support is working as a very, very nice support, and the price is bounced very well. Along with that, the price is bounced from this long-term support of 0.0053 as well. That was previously breaking as a resistance here and resistance here. And for a few weeks, it had been breaking as a resistance here as well. And now it is breaking as a very, very nice support. And now the pricing is also bounced from this support of this falling wedge pattern as well. You can see that we have also found this downtrend line resistance as well. And the movement is, by the way, still quite wide, but getting squeezed now. You can see that here it was wider, and now it is getting narrower. And now after the recent bounce, if it will hit the resistance of this wedge, then it can hit the resistance somewhere here, approximately at 1.3 cents and slightly higher than that resistance we have another very long-term resistance of 1.35 cents as well. That was previously breaking at the resistance here and support here as well. Now here on this 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this big long-term down channel as well. By the way, I have been showing you this channel even before the breakout almost 2 years ago. And I was telling you that target for the breakout from this channel can be here at the top of the channel somewhere between 3.5 cents to 4 cents. And you can see that the price and has already hit that target, but here we have found a very long-term resistance zone from 3.5 cents to 4.55 cents. It has been previously breaking other resistance here, and resistance zone here as well. And now if we take a look at the target for the expected breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, that target will be again here at the top of the wedge. If the price breaks out this downtrend and resistance, then we can expect that we may see another powerful attempt to break out this long-term resistance once again. That starts from 3.5 cents and goes to 4.5 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, You can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because then I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.